Okay, so when you are logged into your site, you can see here edit with Elementor. This is where you edit, no? Your content here. So right now, if you want to edit your footer, you just need to go here, customize. And then you have footer area. No? If you click yung footer area, you can see here yung mga different widget. Actually, you can just click and then edit, no? Just like this. Okay, edit here, or you can add mga widgets dito sa left or right side, no? Ayan, this is the editor area of our footer. If you want to click on the copyright, change the text, you can see the text here. And let's see if mag-load siya. Okay, basta you can see that here, no? And then once you are done editing, here, ayan, ito yung copyright text dito. Once you are done everything, publish mo lang. Okay?